There's a road beneath your feet, it doesn't promise gold, but it whispers every morning you're exactly where you're told. The river speaks in silence, the canyon holds your name. The wind forgives your failures and loves you just the same. So let go of the outcome, let go of the weight. Ask yourself softly, what matters today? Is it peace? Is it love? Is it time you can taste? Can you sit with yourself in this wide open space? Dance in this moment, breathe in the sky. Ask all the questions, don't need to know why. Love will save the day, even if it hurts. Let nature guide you back to the worth of simply being here, being here. What do you want in this life, my friend? A little more joy or a means to the end? What if your purpose was never far? Let nature guide you back to the worth of simply being here, being here. What do you want in this life, my friend? A little more joy or a means to the end? What if your purpose was never far? What if your power's right where you are? On a scale from 1 to 10, how much does your wellness matter? How much could nature heal you if you let it gather? Are you afraid to be still, or just afraid to be seen? What do you love? What do you dream? Dance in this moment, light up your soul. Let go of control and you just might feel whole. Love will save the day. Let the river decide where you're meant to walk, how you're meant to rise. Just be here. Just be here. Dance in this moment.